Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here that I created, and I created this using the Morphe brushes Holiday Limited Edition 39A palette plus one light pressed pigment from them. And the only reason I used that is because I didn't have a light enough shade that I wanted to use. So this look is going to be a look like you can wear out, like you're going out, or you want to just dress up and look nice, or you just want to do your makeup and take makeup pictures for Instagram. So the reason that I use the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette is because we hit my goal on this channel and hitting 225 subscribers. So yeah, my goal was to reach that, and then I was going to do a giveaway, and so I'm going to be giving away a Morphe 39A palette. So I will talk a little bit more about this giveaway later on in the video, but if you're interested in seeing this look and seeing how I created it, keep watching. Okay, so I'm kind of an idiot, and I kind of already started without hitting record by accident. So all I did was I took this Morphe pressed pigment in Mimosa Sunday and I highlighted my brow bone with it, and then I went in with the first transition shade from the palette and worked it into my crease zone. Now I'm taking the very middle transition shade in the palette and I'm going to work it into my creases also. Now in the top right quadrant, like the berry toned ones, I'm going to take like the orangey one and I'm just going to work that in my crease as well, but a little bit lower. Now I'm just going to take that first matte berry, like pinky purpley berry tone, and I'm just going to work it in my crease as well. Now I'm just going to take that middle transition shade and blend those, like the berry and that together so they kind of just mesh a little bit better. Next I'm going to take the lighter shade of the two darkest shades, and I'm just going to blend that in there as well. Now I'm just going to take some concealer on a small concealer brush and just carve out a half cut crease. And I'm just going to set that with some translucent powder. Now for the inner corner, I'm just going to go in with some Mimosa Sunday and just kind of take it to this inner third. Now I'm just going to take that first shimmery shade from that little quadrant as well and kind of just pack it on right in here. Now I'm just going to go in with that very berry color and pack it on right in the outer. Now I'm just going to take the very last shade on the front, on the first row, and just add a little bit of depth. Now I'm just going to take that second to last shade on the first row and just do a little bit of blending right in here. I'm just going to take that very last shade on the top row and just apply some in here to define this line a little bit. I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Mimosa Sunday just to sharpen things up a bit. Now I'm just going to apply some winged liner. Alright, and now I'm just going to apply some mascara. So next is lashes, and I have these bold face forward lashes from Bold Face Makeup, and I don't know if they're gonna be too much for this look, but I kind of want to try it anyway because I've been dying to try these, so we're gonna test it out and see. And even if it's too much, I don't care. Alright, now that I've let that House of Lashes glue get tacky, just going to pop on this lash. Okay, so now that we have the top lid done, I'm going to do my face makeup and then I'll come back and do the lower lash line. Alright, so next I'm going to take this ColourPop Zulu liner and put it in my bottom waterline. And I'm just going to run it a little bit lower. So in the bottom left quadrant, I'm going to take the bottom row first color. And I'm just going to smoke that down below. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of a fluffier brush and I'm going to smoke it out a little bit more. Now I'm going to go back in with Mimosa Sundae and just hit the inner corner a little bit. Now I'm just going to take some mascara and coat my bottom lashes just a little bit. Alright, and then this is the completed look. So this is it for this look. I had a lot of fun creating it and I really love how it turned out. So if you're interested in knowing how you can enter to win this bad boy right here, everything's going to be linked down in the description box, not subscription box, but in the description box down below. So all the stuff that you need to know on how to enter, when it's going to be going on, when's it going to end, how I'm going to announce the winner, all that will be down in the description box and all that good jazz. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that little bell button, you know, the one that kind of looks like a little Taco Bell thingy. Yeah, hit that thing and you'll be notified every time that I post a video and you won't miss out on a thing. I mean, what's better than that? Anyways, thank you so much and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.